Good afternoon, everyone. Right, lo this afternoon, me show me overview lo walarano community. Walarano community consist of 10 sectors. 8 sectors altogether lo mainland and 2 sectors lo island. And these two sectors Rano Island with Wala Island. Majority of the people of Walarano kata all Catholic believers here. So if you come to Walarano is one of the biggest Catholic institution where me stop on northeast of Malekula, which is come under lo Malamba province. Walarano community got 2,000 plus population inside lo all sectors plan. But excluding all stop lo 2 towns below Vanuatu, Port Vila, Watema, Santo. From my right side, by looking this one, hemi Rano Island, and the left side, hemi Wala Island. This is the whole Catholic mission, Walarano Catholic mission lo yeah. Catholic church na hemi, and sana ni Catholic secondary school yana. So if you look good, Catholic mission stop center lo middle lo Wala Watema Rano. And even one of the most biggest church inside the community lo Walarano lo yana. Lo left side Walarano new health center where Australian government fund him. One of the most interesting thing we find him out lo here is setting up lo okata. By look him on top, church with them school all stop together on top, and lo left side lo clinic lo gata stop lo, which is everything stop inside lo Walarano Catholic Mission Church. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe and like the channel.